You can't hear me that good. Well, not that loud. But I'm gonna teach you, well, tell you kind of how to get rid of like the little beeping noise if you have a wired controller. Go teach you how to get rid of the beeping noise, which I'll show you the beeping noise. Maybe you can hear it, maybe you can't. I'm not really sure. But here. Hold on, let me turn down the volume of my TV. Hold on. You might not be able to hear this, but not sure if you can hear that, but if it's happening to you like that little buzzing noise, press the middle button, then go all the way to the right, sorry if it's too bright, go all the way to the right and then go to preferences, then go to vibration, and then uncheck that, and then there won't be any more like buzzing noise when you shoot or when you reload. So that's it. Bye.